Kenya has been hit hard by an unprecedented fuel shortage that is threatening to grind the country's economy to a halt. The crisis has seen a number of oil marketing stations shut down, tens of travelers and motorists stranded, prices of goods going up across the country and public transport vehicles grounded.
For the second week running, Kenyan motorists are enduring another day of major fuel shortages, with hours of long queues, as witnessed behind me, with strict rationing at petrol stations as pumps across the country run dry. An immediate impact of the acute shortage of the all-important energy source in the country has resulted to restricting motorists to a maximum of fuel worth $19 per car.
The queue was so long. So I came down and I found there were a few cars, like 20. Now, this pump has actually gotten a problem, they're telling us. So we've been here like 2 hours. Actually, I've not had fuel for 3 days. It has really affected us. I think if it continues like this for another 1 week, we are going to lose a lot of money.
Kenya introduced a fuel subsidy scheme on April 14, 2021, that sees the government pay oil marketers a certain percentage of fuel costs to cushion the public and stabilize the market. The subsidy was effected as part of efforts to bring down the high cost of basic items. The fuel crisis has come at the worst time for Kenyans when many are grappling with rising inflation as prices of basic commodities like cooking oil, bread and milk hit the roof.
Imeniaffect sana juu nimetoka Roysambu, Thika Road yote nimetumia kama 1.5 hour making pata hii mafuta.
With Kenya's economy being fuel-driven, the crisis portends bad times for citizens. The World Bank and the National Treasury project the country's economy would grow by at least 5%, boosted by recovering economic activities, as COVID-19 effects wane locally and globally.